Shut your fruitcake looking ass up, motherfucker. Motherfucking pussy ass nigga.
Like, come on now, you pretty, boy. Boy, your balls ain't even dropped. You sound like a sissy, boy. Straight up.
You sound like a bitch.
Get him. Get him, Brooklyn.
Boy, you a joke, son. But listen, in the conversation, straight up, this is what I'm gonna say to you. Hold up. This is what I'm gonna say. This is what I'm gonna say to you, bro. You talk all you want.
My nigga Brooklyn going
At the end of the day, you don't got your account. You don't got your account. You
Hold
been
up.
I'm right here, bro. Little Joker, 126, bro.
Yo, Tootsie Roll, fucking titty looking ass nigga.
Sad right now, bro.
Gyro ass nigga, fuck out of here, you bitch ass.
Boy, he just got nasty, boy. What you just said was nasty.
Hey,
Well, your
nigga,
breath
hey,
smell- why
he
you think I
going
got
in.
this
Yo,
job
hey, you
knocked off, boy? 'Cause
get,
your
hey, a
breath is fogging up the
14-year-old
air,
going
boy.
in on you, bro.
Your breath is something nasty, son.
Motherfucker, yo, big goggle looking
But
ass.
PJC, this nigga ain't even saying nothing. All he saying is, nigga, you with your 10-year-old, nigga, you ain't even saying nothing. Nigga, you wanna keep on doing this. Nigga, you wanna keep on.
I can hear him, though. I can hear him, though.
Like, come on now, that ain't even roasting, bro. This nigga
I can hear him. Hey, nigga, hey, he 14,
Nigga
bro.
14, I'm 17.
Exactly, bro.
Bro, I would slap you in.
Why you wearing twinkle
I'll beat you.
toes?
I'll punch your little sister.
Why you wearing twinkle toes?
I'll beat your little brother
Yo,
up. I'll beat your granddaddy up. PJC, you walk around here in a fruit outfit. Gold chain on that you got out the 25-cent machine.
25-cent machine. Hey, nigga, look at you bum ass nigga. You ain't shit, you puss ass bitch. You ain't nothing, nigga. Look at you wearing that free shit, nigga. You wearing that free shit, bro. Get your ass out of here. You bum ass nigga wearing some pink earrings and shit. You a bum, bro. You a bum. Hey, nigga, you trying to come at me, nigga, and you a bum, bro. Get your shit straight, my nigga. You wearing free shit, nigga. You coming at the wrong nigga with your fucking big ass head, nigga. Your head filled with water with your ugly ass, nigga. Your fingers look like some damn sandbags, you goofy ass motherfucker. You ain't bout shit, my nigga. You started shit with the wrong little nigga, bro. Just shut your mouth and go after that nigga Brooklyn. Cause you mad because that nigga Brooklyn going at you, bro.
I'm feeling good, you gay ass nigga. Shut your gay ass up, motherfucker.
I don't know why why your boy gotta come at me for? Hold up, yeah, shit. Why you coming at me for, nigga? Shit.
I could barely hear this nigga PJC though. Like real talk, I could barely hear this nigga PJC. But back to what I was saying, let me get on your Benny Good Jimmy Dodo from Jerry Springer shirt. Where boy, I'm about to get on you now. Where your pants got pocket lint in it, boy. What you eat for dinner? What you eat for dinner last night?
Yo, green that looking ass.
Boy, you ain't wearing no socks, boy. You free balling. Boy, you're messed up. Boy, your lineup look like the tile on this bowling alley floor.
That nigga stuttering.
Boy, let me pull out the swag for you. Let me show you what's good.
Hold on. The fuck, man? My nigga Brooklyn going in, nigga. He 14. Going at this nigga Joker.
Let me come back to you, boy. You was hey, you see how you got quiet though? This nigga kept trying to talk while I was in it. Boy, that little 15-cent shirt you got on, boy, your whole outfit cost an extra 75 cents. Boy, my pants cost more than your outfit. Boy, come on now, you got free hair on. Come on now, boy. Your hair, come on now, boy. Your ears on the period right now. Your ears is bleeding. Come on, your ears on the straight up.
That nigga Joker put on a fucking 25-cent fucking shirt, nigga, trying to ride on my other nigga.
Straight up, boy. That plastic bag
hit you upside your head with your own baseball bat, you gay ass nigga.
Maybe if I slap you in your neck, maybe you'll get some sense in your head that you have no swag. Straight up. I'll come swagging on you on your own account. I'll swag on you on your own account. Straight up. What are you saying?
Go ahead.
You fruity?
Try this on, gay ass nigga.
What did you say?
You fruitcake ass nigga. You green like a boy looking ass nigga.
But you sound like my little bro. You sound like my little bro. If I put my little bro on the mic, you sound just like that little nigga. You sound like you in the estimate of 5th grade. Boy, you Down syndrome. Boy, you sound like you got Tourette syndrome. You sound Down syndrome. You over there like,
looking like a bad baby. Fuck out of here.
But you're done. That didn't even make no sense. You just made your own self sound retarded.
Shut y'all
You run around here look like a Down syndrome
Confused
child.
nigga.
They should have a sign saying Down syndrome children, slow down,
Oh,
please.
you gay ass.
But you look like you be pushed.
Man, I'm done, yo. This shit's funny, yo. I guess this nigga Joker from BSE hacked my nigga Brooklyn. And he trying to roast a 14-year-old, but the 14-year-old getting at his head. Like, he mad because the 14-year-old getting at his head and gotta try, you know, bring me into it. You know, shit. It's going on YouTube anyways. Shit. PJCYBGUMTO. That nigga, you know, Joker getting roasted by a 14-year-old. Like, shit, come on, nah. Bad. That's bad right there. Alright, yo. Peace out.